Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Understanding the precise attachments of its components is vital for properly diagnosing and treating medial knee injuries. In this lecture, we will explore the femoral and tibial attachments of the medial collateral and posterior oblique ligaments. Superficial medial collateral ligament attachments. The superficial medial collateral ligament femoral attachment was thought to be on the medial epicondyle. However, recent studies have suggested that it is 3.2 mm proximal and 4.8 mm posterior to the medial epicondyle. Emerging research from Imperial College London suggests the superficial medial collateral ligament covers the medial epicondyle, with the attachment centered 1 to 2 mm proximal. There is more consensus on the tibial side. The superficial medial collateral ligament has a proximal attachment 10 to 12 mm distal to the joint line, primarily to soft tissues, and a broader attachment 42 to 71 mm from the joint line. Deep medial collateral ligament attachments. The deep medial collateral ligament femoral attachment is proximal to the superficial medial collateral ligament, located 6 mm distal and 5 mm posterior to the medial epicondyle, approximately 15 to 17 mm above the femoral articular cartilage. Distally, the deep medial collateral ligament runs from posterior to anterior, ending in a fan-wide tibial attachment around 8 mm distal to the joint line. Posterior oblique ligament attachments. The posterior oblique ligament comprises obliquely oriented fibers extending from the distal semimembranosus tendon towards the femur. Anteriorly, it blends with the posterior margin of the superficial medial collateral ligament, and posteriorly, it reinforces the articular capsule. The posterior oblique ligament is now widely accepted as an individual structure. Its femoral attachment is located 6.4 mm posterior and 7.7 mm distal to the adductor tubercle. Distally, the central arm of the posterior oblique ligament attaches primarily to the posteromedial aspect of the medial meniscus, the meniscotibial portion of the posteromedial capsule, and the posteromedial part of the tibia. Future video presentations will provide detailed MRI findings on each of these components. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it.